47. Great unit conversions. How do you go from 42 inches per second to miles per hour?
You change inches into feet and then feet into miles.
Very good.
And then from second to minute and minute to hour.
The only difference that you have from the way you did it before is now you have a unit in the bottom also. Before it just used to be this, right?
Yeah.
So, but it works with exactly the same principle. If you want to change something in the bottom, you have to put it on the top, right? And if you want to change something in the top, you have to put it in the bottom so you can cancel it out. So this would be, just like Ian said, inches in the bottom and feet.
Oh.
Feet in the bottom and miles in the top, right? Now we can just fill in the numbers. And that would take care of inches. How many inches in a foot? 12. 1. How many feet in a mile? 5,280. 1 mile. But then we would have miles per second. And we want miles per hour. So
about 60 seconds are in and out.
I'm just
60
going to
minutes.
go to 60 seconds. You're right. So second goes with second.
60 minutes in 1 hour. 60 minutes.
In 1 minute. And that gets rid of seconds, but now I'm stuck with minutes.
60 minutes.
No, 60
1 hour.
minutes.
60 minutes,
1
1 hour. Minutes goes with minutes, and I'm good. So all you do is 42 times 60
squared.
times 60, or 60 squared, divided by
12
12,
times
5,280, and you give one final answer, and that would be in miles
per hour.
per hour.
Wait,
and that's
no.
how you do it.
In the answer sheet, it doesn't tell us to do it completely.
That is awesome that the answer sheet doesn't tell you to convert it, but since you have fingers and you have a calculator, it is really easy for you to press the button to get one final answer. Okay?
That's all we have.
This is so that you know that you did the conversion correctly. Okay?
That's it?
No.
Oh.
So now that we did that, may I erase?
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Easy.
1, 2, 3. Gone.
Stomach gun.
You should make a product called stomach gun. Gone.
Send me the picture.
Ask Kevin to do that. Okay. So yesterday we saw this.
Oh yeah, I hated that.
Oh, those are easy.
Right?
Yeah.
And you remember that you could change it into fractional exponents and you would put 3
2 over 3.
to the 1/2, everything to the 1/3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the little number here, even if you can't see it, it's dividing, right?
Square.
Because you remember that for exponents, when you multiply, you add the exponents. When you divide, you subtract the exponents. When you raise, multiply. And when you root, you divide. Okay? So, on that note, if I have couple of things. It's the same exact thing. The only problem is, in order for me to apply that chart, it has to have the same base. Very good. And this doesn't have the same base. Can I put this in base 3?
Yes.
Yes. How?
3 times 3 times 3.
Which
is
is,
3
with
squared.
using an exponent, it would be what?
3 to the 3.
3 to the 3. Right? Does everybody see that?
Yeah.
So now I can change it into fractional exponents. And that would be 3 to the 3,
Times
3
3 and a
1/2,
half. Multiply everything
3 to
times
1/2,
1/3.
and everything to the 1/3. So that would give me this. I'm going to change that 3
to a 1.
to
1 over 3.
6 over 2.
Oh, because when you divide it, it's given.
Because that's 3. And
And
then
then
the
you
commas
can
are
just
there. And that, I copy the base
He's white.
And 7 over 2.
because these two are multiplying. And when I multiply, I add the exponents. And since I'm adding, I need the same base because this one has a fraction. So that means that I have 7 over 2. Still to the 1/3. So that means when I I copy the base and I multiply the exponents. 3, 7 over 6, and that's my answer. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
why is instead of 27 it's for example 21.
Then you can't do it this way.
Good.
If you can't find the same base, you can't do it that way. There's other ways of doing it, but not that way.
But what do
Presented better, that's fine.
Then you just find a number, you put it in the calculator and find one single number. This is for when you don't have a calculator. The reason they teach you how to do this without a calculator is because for SATs and ACTs, if I'm not mistaken, you can't use calculators. So you've got to know how to do this without a calculator.
Oh, that sucks.
Okay, that is it.
Yeah.
It's 6.